Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow and Steady English.
Today we will spend a full Sunday together,
You will listen to our conversation.
and you can repeat after us.
This will help you speak English more confidently.
Just relax and enjoy the conversation.
Are you ready?
Let's begin our Sunday.
Good morning, Danielle.
Good morning, Anna. The house is very quiet today.
Yes, everyone is still sleeping.
What time is it?
It is 7:30.
Sunday mornings feel different.
Yes, they feel slow and peaceful.
I like quiet mornings.
Me too.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
I had a very deep sleep.
That is good.
I feel very relaxed today.
Sunday is my favorite day.
We do not rush on Sundays.
That makes the day special.
Let's start the day slowly.
That sounds perfect. I will make some coffee.
That is a great idea.
The kitchen is cold this morning.
Yes, but the coffee will warm us. I can already smell the coffee.
I love the smell of coffee in the morning.
Fresh coffee smells amazing. It makes the house feel alive.
Here is your cup.
Thank you very much.
Take a small sip.
It is still hot,
Yes, it is very hot.
but it tastes wonderful.
This is a perfect start to Sunday.
I completely agree.
We should sit by the window.
The sunlight is beautiful today.
The sky is very clear.
It will be a nice day. I hear something upstairs.
I think Leo is waking up.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, Leo. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. I feel a little sleepy.
That is normal. Come sit with us.
Do you want some milk?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you, Mom. What are we doing today?
Today is Family Day.
That sounds exciting.
Maybe we will go outside.
I hope so. Max wants to go outside too.
Look at Max. He is wagging his tail.
Max is always excited. He loves Sundays. He knows we will go out. Max is very smart. He understands our routine.
Leo, take Max outside.
Okay, Dad. Come, Max.
What should we eat today?
Maybe pancakes.
Pancakes sound delicious.
Leo loves pancakes.
I will mix the batter.
I will heat the pan.
The butter is melting.
The kitchen smells wonderful.
Leo is coming back.
He looks hungry.
Breakfast is ready.
Everyone sit down.
These pancakes look amazing. Thank you, Mom.
I will add some honey.
I will add some fruit.
This tastes so good.
Sunday breakfast is the best.
I am very full now. That was delicious. The weather looks beautiful.
Yes, the sun is shining. The air feels fresh.
Let's go to the park.
Max will be very happy.
Leo is already excited.
Let's take a ball for Max.
And a bottle of water.
Everyone ready? Let's go. The park is not very busy today.
The grass looks very green.
The trees look beautiful.
I love this park.
Max is running very fast.
Leo is chasing him.
They are having so much fun. Look at them laughing.
This moment feels perfect.
I wish time would slow down.
I feel a little tired now.
Me too.
Let's go home.
A short rest sounds good.
Maybe we can watch a movie.
That sounds relaxing.
Leo loves movies.
Let's choose a comedy.
Comedy movies are fun.
Laughter is good for everyone.
I will make popcorn.
I will choose the movie. The popcorn smells great.
Everyone sit down. The movie is starting. This scene is funny.
Leo is laughing loudly.
Max is sleeping now.
The house feels peaceful.
I love Sunday afternoons.
The movie was great.
Yes, it was very funny.
The sun is going down.
The evening feels calm.
What should we do now?
Maybe take a short walk.
That sounds nice.
The evening air is cool.
The sky looks beautiful.
The sunset is amazing.
I am getting hungry again.
Me too. Let's cook something simple.
Pasta sounds good. I will boil the pasta.
I will make the sauce.
The garlic smells wonderful. The
The sauce is ready.
dinner is ready.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. This pasta tastes amazing. Thank you, Anna.
I am glad you like it.
Leo finished his plate quickly.
That means it is delicious.
Max is waiting for food again.
He is always hungry.
Tonight feels very peaceful.
I enjoyed this day.
Me too.
It is getting late.
Yes, the day is ending.
Sundays pass very quickly,
That is true.
but today was wonderful. We spent time together.
That is the most important thing.
Family time is special.
Tomorrow is Monday again.
Back to work. But tonight, we relax.
Leo is already sleepy.
Max is sleeping too.
The house is quiet again.
I feel calm and grateful.
Today was a good day.
Thank you for this beautiful Sunday.
Thank you for this beautiful Sunday.
Thank you for being here.
Here, I hope our listeners enjoyed this day.
And practice their English.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
Practice a little every day. See you in the next episode.
Practice a little every day. See you in the next episode.